Ready to ditch the complicated exchanges and swap your crypto directly from your Bybit Web3 wallet? First, head over to the Bybit website and navigate to the Web3 section. Ensure you have connected your wallet. Make sure you've got the Bybit wallet extension installed. You'll need this to proceed. Now, within your Bybit Web3 wallet interface, look for the prominent swap option. It's usually located in the main navigation menu. Click on it to access the crypto swap feature. You'll see two fields, from and to under. From, select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange. A drop-down menu will appear listing all the assets in your wallet. Choose the one you want to swap. Next, specify the amount of the cryptocurrency you want to swap. Enter the amount directly into the From field. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to receive under the To field. Click the Quote button to generate a quote including network charges and the amount to expect. Before confirming, carefully review the details of the swap. Pay close attention to the estimated fees and slippage. These are clearly displayed so you know exactly what you're paying. Once you're happy with everything, hit the Confirm button. And that's it. You have successfully completed a swap of cryptocurrency using Bybit's Web3 wallet.